All right, title, we had our board briefing for Saturday, February 12th. Warm up, 8-minute AMRAP, 12 or 9 and 12 calories respectively, 12 kettlebell swings, 12 alternating box step ups. No height, no requirement for weight on kettlebell and rowing. So if you have a full class, we might get jammed up here on the rowers. So half the class can start here, half the class can start there, and we just switch and pass each other like ships in the middle of the night. All right. So whenever you see prescribed kettlebell swings, it always means overhead unless it otherwise specifies. Let's make sure that we try to get our elbows nice and straight and without leaning back too far on our back, low back. We don't want to jeopardize that. Okay. Those are just a warm up. And before the warm up even starts, coach is going to coach you through how to do each of these movements, explain the efficiencies, and so on and so forth. Okay. Then we have a specific rowing warm up. It's going to be quite extensive. Okay. We got 4 different sets. Each set we're going to be working on a little bit different pacing for everyone. Then we have an EMOM. 1 minute of rowing for calories, 1 minute of rest. So that means we can just chop and change. Work rest ratio, we can share a rower with someone, get it all done, okay? And then a mini round, we got 1 set, 15 kettlebell swings. This should be done at your workout weight, okay? Box jumps should be done at your workout height, and then GHDs. Again, this might cause a little jam up on the GHDs if we get lots of people wanting to use them, so maybe we go backwards, okay? The workout now, 3 rounds for time. Workout's called sprung. 15 kettlebell swings overhead, 35 to 50 pound kettlebell, followed by 20 box jumps, 20 inches, 24 inches, followed by 20 GHDs. We'll stop right there and explain this. We might have to share the 3 GHD machines, which means we might want to work in backwards order, some of us, and some of us in forwards order. You're not going to miss out the RX beside your name if you do it backwards, okay? Level 2, the kettlebell's a little bit lighter, but same amount of reps, 15. It's a 26 and a 35. And then we got box jumps at 20 inches and 24 inches, same height, right? Anchored med ball sit-ups with a 20 or a 14 pound or a 20 pound ball. So the best way I feel to anchor sit-ups is with 2 heavy dumbbells, right? And then you put have the med ball behind your head, and then you reach it forward and then touch it forward of your toes, right? Almost like a GHD sit-up. That's what it is simulating, okay? Level 1, kettlebell swings are 18 and 26, 15 reps, 15 box jumps at 12 and 20, okay? And then we are doing 15 sit-ups for GHDs. Now, if we have issues and we want to do the RX weight, the GHDs, but we don't want to jump out of box because we have an injury or something like that, go ahead and do step-ups. It's going to slow you down a little bit, but it's still going to give you a great workout. Is it RX? No. Okay, but it's required box jumps, but go ahead and step up if you need to. And then after class, we have a little bit of stretch. We have 2 minutes in a seated straddle stretch, reaching forward as much as we can. Sometimes we need to grab onto like a stanchion, so the pull-up rig, so we can do straddle and then just pull ourselves forward, or maybe we just need a dumbbell on the floor so we can pull ourselves forward a little bit. That'll help. Whenever we're stretching, we don't want to feel any pain, right? Per se pain, like but a little bit of discomfort with those muscles that are stretching is okay, all right? So that's our day in a nutshell. Let's have some fun. Box jumps, kettlebell swings, box jumps, GHDs. All right, guys, enjoy.